In this quick video, I want to show you how to cook mussels that's already pre-cooked like this. Now this particular one is from specially selected from Aldi, but you might already have pre-cooked mussels that you get somewhere else. And there's a couple of different ways that you can cook mussels. You can pan fry them, that's what we're going to do here. However, you can also microwave them, which actually tastes pretty good. Now, on the box it recommends that you puncture it with a knife, and then you just put it in the microwave and you heat it for about 5 minutes. I'm not a big fan of cooking with plastic because I think it could leach into the food. So we're going to go ahead and just cut it open and put all the sauce that comes with it in with it, like this. And this is if you're going to microwave it, but we're going to pan fry ours. But if you want to microwave it, you're going to put it in a bowl, and then we're going to put it in for, if it's frozen, which these come frozen at the store, I'd put it in for about 5 minutes in the microwave. If you put it and let it de-thaw in the refrigerator overnight, then it would only take you about 3 minutes, and you'll see that they're perfect. But for our mussels, we're going to go ahead and pan fry them. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of butter on them. And these particular mussels from Aldi has 16 ounces, 240 calories. All right. So put some oil, whether it be garlic or rather olive oil or avocado or whatever oil that you have. And we're going to go ahead and heat it on medium heat. And we're going to do it for about 5 or 6 minutes. But, I mean, you can pretty much guess the amount of time because it'll start steaming and you'll pretty much know when it's done. All right, so let's go ahead and make our sauce, our dipping sauce for our mussels. So we're going to do 2 parts. We're going to do 1 part olive oil and 1 part vinegar. So 1 part olive oil, 1 part vinegar, half and half. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of hot sauce in mine, or you could use sriracha sauce. And I'm going to put like a teaspoon of salt. So that's going to be our dipping sauce. And as the 6 minutes comes up, we're just going to go ahead and move them around. Now, if you have any mussels that are closed completely, this one might be closed. Heating it should open most of them up. If not, what you can do is you can use the shell of one that you've already eaten in order to ply it and wedge it. And as it's in the pan, you can go ahead and spice it up. Put a little bit of salt. And I got some ground ginger. Cayenne pepper. I'll put a little bit of lemon juice as well. All right, got about 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. I could tell that they are heated, like that. I'll try one out. Very good. All right, so what I was talking about, if one of the shells is closed tight, let's see if I can find one. Go into the seam like that, and that should pry it up enough so you can get a grip on it. That's really good. And they're very filling, even though it's very low calorie. You know, that whole box is only 240 calories. with it's basically nutritionally packed. I mean, it's packed full of minerals and vitamins and stuff that your body needs. And I could almost eat just a box for a whole meal and nothing else and almost be satisfied. Sometimes I have done that. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.